right, so we're going to talk about light. So light is a form of energy that enables us to see everything that's around us. There's man-made light, there's natural light. So natural light like the sun, and then man-made light like the lights that are above us in our classrooms or in our house. A flashlight is another example of a man-made light. So there are three properties to light. There's transparent, translucent, and opaque. And those are the three things that we're going to talk about, and we're going to kind of do some sorting activities with it. So the first one is transparent. Transparent allows all the light to go through it. You can see through it. There's nothing in the way. It's a clear sheet for the most part. Translucent allows some light to pass through, but we can partially see the item. And then opaque, we cannot see anything when light is shined through. So we're going to turn the lights off and we're going to examine, or we're going to investigate some items that we have on the table to see if they're transparent, translucent, or opaque. All right, so I have a black container here and I have my flashlight. So we're going to look and see if we can see any light when I shine the light on any of these objects. If we see light through it, we're going to determine if it is transparent, translucent, or opaque. So the first thing we have, what I like to do in my classroom is I use a lot of the items that I have in my classroom. We do cooking activities, we do activities with most of the stuff that's in here, so these are items that my students are familiar with. So, first thing I have is tinfoil. So I would allow my students to observe it and make a guess on if they think it's transparent, translucent, or opaque. So I'm going to flash my light on it. And as you can see on the tray, we don't see any light shining through it. So this would be opaque. So we would sort this into an opaque pile. Next item we have is a balloon. So I'm going to shine the light on the balloon. And as you can see, we can kind of see some of it. So this is translucent. So we can see some of the light going through it, but not all the light is going through it. So we'd put this in another pile for translucent. And then I've got a clear Ziploc bag. We're going to shine the light through that. Shine the light through this. And we can see all the light through this. So this is transparent. So as you go through the items that you have, your students should be able to sort them based off of, is it opaque? Can the light shine through a book? A light cannot shine through a book. It's going to go in the pile with the tinfoil. I have a pencil case. Can the light shine through the pencil case? Yeah, we can kind of see some of the light through the pencil case, so that's going to be translucent, and that's going to go with the balloon. And then something like their peanut butter and jelly wrapper. Can we see light through it? We can see all the light through it, except for the parts that have the writing. We can see the light through it. So this is going to be something that is transparent. So you can do this with your students in your classroom. Turn the lights off. It gives them a better understanding of what light goes through and how it reacts when it's hitting something. And you can sort things by transparent, translucent, and opaque.